here.
Hello, how are you? Today, let's play a game. You can see I will prepare many things for you. And I think because it's a game, so I suggest you can prepare something, write down what you are looking and what you are thinking and what you are feeling. After, we can check. Okay, let's go. First, warm the tea set. Tea, we have A, B, they are same tea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kinds of tea. Okay, it's warm. Finish. Then we put the tea inside. Then now let's smell the aroma. now we have everything. Let's check your thinking, your feeling. What you see is same or not. Let's check. Here, this one is only Japanese tea here today. Only one. This is senja. We can see from here. We have a senja Japanese tea. Only one this today. Senja. And this one is green tea, but it's from Taiwan. We call it 碧螺春. So both two, they are green tea. Green tea, but this Japanese green tea, senja, and this Taiwanese green tea, 碧螺春. Then we can see here, those 1, 2, 3, they belong to oolong tea, and this one is oolong tea but with flower, almost as here with flower, but it's oolong tea. And this one is Jingxuan, number 12, Jingxuan oolong tea, have a milky. And this one, the people always love this too. Oriental Beauty. You can see the color different. Even they are oolong tea, but they are different color. So it's 桂花乌龙、金萱 and Oriental Beauty 东方美人. Then we can see the first time we brew this. The color quite different. This one is here. It's black tea. This is black tea and black tea number 18, 红玉. This is 红玉 from Taiwan. This is also black tea, and they are same place but different. This different tea leaf. You can see different tea leaf, and it's but a little deep. And this is black tea. So 2 black tea, 3 oolong tea, 2 green tea for our game today. I hope you enjoy them. Then let's try next time with other tea. Thank you.